Hassan, what do you want to tell me about the mobile? So please tell
I
me.
want to tell about all of the classmates and you about the mobiles. Mobiles is very useful and harmful, also harmful. Many pupils are use godly the mobiles. Most of the children are take mobiles to studies, but he not studies properly, and he makes our behavior bad and bad, and he makes friends more and more, and he not focus on the studies. So mobile is very important, because if the students are not studying in the schools and coachings, he studies on the mobiles and online classes like PWLN and other classes. Mobile is very important, and we use mobile in very types of, like we send any messages on WhatsApp, Instagrams and Telegrams, or on your relatives mobiles and friends, and we make our emergency, we make help for emergency by the police numbers and other helpful numbers, and we call our relatives and friends, and we make friendships and friends of the all of the world by the help of the Instagrams and Telegrams and Snapchats or WhatsApp also. Facebook is also mostly wanted apps in the mobiles, and mobile is have a very futures, and in olden age the mobiles is not the pupils have not mobiles, but he sometimes after some time he makes smart mobiles and cell phones, and it is not it have not many futures, but after some time he makes better smartphones and use them more and more, and now in the world the uses of mobiles are grow fastly, and the internet is also grow fastly in the world. So thanks, and I suggest to all of the pupils to not take mobiles more and more, because mobiles affected our eyes, and I suggest to all of the parents to not give his children's mobiles more and more, because his children's takes mobiles and see the bad videos and bad things. So I think the mobile is also useful and harmful. Thanks.
Okay, people are using mobile. What can you suggest them?
Yes, I suggest to all of the pupils. I not say that the pupils not take mobiles and not use of the mobile. I suggest to all of the people that he use mobile rightly, and not give his children more and more mobiles, because most of the children are taking bad habits by the mobiles, and he tell his parents he is study on the mobiles, but he gaming and playing on the mobiles, and talk his friends on the WhatsApps and Telegrams, and he makes video reels in the Instagrams and YouTubes.
So you want to suggest that parents try to understand their children that they must not use their mobile.
Yes, but most of the many children are not take bad habits by mobiles. He only focus on his studies, and men focus on his parents talks, and his parents carefully focus on his children's, and we take mobiles carefully, because mobiles is sometimes the mobiles is blast, because I see a video in YouTube and my WhatsApps, because a person he put the mobiles on the charge because his battery low, and after some time on the mobile somebody calls on the mobiles, and he not see that the mobiles is charging. He put the mobile and speaking the other persons, then his mouth is very hot and blast and his mouth is burned. So I suggest to all of the pupils not take mobiles very much and use carefully of the mobile.
Thank you. Clap, beta, clap.